Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to promote your Etsy shop using Instagram ads in 2023. Instagram ads can be a powerful tool to reach a broader audience, increase your brand visibility, and drive traffic to your Etsy store. Today we'll explore step-by-step strategies to effectively use Instagram ads for your Etsy shop. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by setting up a business Instagram account. So let's just open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you'll have to go and open whatever browser that you have in your PC, or if you have a lot, whatever browser you prefer. And as we said, let's start by setting up a business Instagram account. So start by setting up a business account. If you haven't already, the business accounts provide access to valuable insights and add features to optimize your promotion. Go to this URL section, type simply instagram.com and the enter button. Once you get into your account, you can go to your profile example at the bottom right corner, not the bottom, but on this list panel. Once you do so, you can simply click on settings, and here, as you can see, or sorry, not from here, you can go to this profile and make sure to switch your account to a professional account if you don't have a professional account. If you have, this will be already great, but if you don't, make sure to switch it to professional account. And then once you set up your business accounts, this will give you available insights and features to optimize your promotions example. Other than that, of course, let's start by defining your target audience. Clearly define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Understanding your audience will help you create relevant and appealing ad content. Make sure to, after that, connect your Etsy shop to Instagram. You can connect your Etsy shop to your Instagram account using the shopping feature. This will allow you to tag your products in the post and run, of course, shopping ads directly from your feed. And of course, you'll be able to do that if you have professional accounts. If you have a normal account or personal account, you'll not be able to do so. So make sure to get for yourself a professional account. Other than that, of course, make sure to create some engaging visual content because designing eye-catching and engaging visual content for your Instagram ads and make sure to even use some high quality images or videos that showcase your products and reflects your brand aesthetic. So after that, of course, we'll come to the option of crafting compiling ad copy. So write some compiling ad copy that complements your visual content and encourage action. Keep your captions concise, clear, and persuasive to entice the user to click on your ad. After that, make sure to choose the right ad formats because Instagram. So let's just first of all go here to new tab, type Instagram ads, hit the enter button, go to advertising on Instagram, of course, because we will not, if we want to create an ad, we will not be able to do it on normal Instagram. We'll need the business Instagram. So you can simply go and type businessinstagram.com. This will take you to this option or this page right away, and you will have to log in into your Instagram account. As you can see, it's the same Instagram account. And of course, from here, we'll be able to create ads. So once we are creating ads, make sure to choose the right ad formats because Instagram offers various ad formats, including photos ads, videos ads, carousel ads, and story ads. Select the ad format that best suits your message and goals. After that, make sure to set your budget and duration. So determine your budgets or ad budgets and choose the duration of your Instagram ad campaign. Test some different budgets and durations to see what works best for your Etsy shop. If you find the right ad combination for you, you can simply go and keep doing that. And of course, use the Instagram advanced targeting option to reach your ideal audience. You can target based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and even retarget previous website visitors. And of course, you'll be able to monitor and optimize your ads from this Google Ads, or sorry, from this Instagram ad. So let's just example, click on create an ad. And here, of course, log in with Instagram because this will take us to business Facebook. So log in with this account from here. And as you can see, business or creator. So of course, business, next, done category, of course. So here you'll have to choose the category of your whatever you have. So let's say example music. musician and band. Click on continue, done and continue, and this will set up a professional account for us. So here we'll simply have to enter our email address, phone number, street address, and a lot of other stuff if you want people to have this public business information about you. If you don't, you can click don't use my contacts info and click done. And once that's done, of course, this will definitely switch your account to a professional account. So just keep that in mind. Once you do so, as you can see from here, so first of all, I don't know why the language changed into French, but anyway, you can simply, as you can see from here, so let's just go to the language and choose English, confirm. And here we are. We have the English now. So just keep that in mind. Now we can go to home, of course. From here, we'll be able to go and create some posts or create some ads. And from here, from this option, as you can see, you'll be able to see the insights of every ad that we created. So you can view all the insights depending on the ads. And from here, you can collect the data that you collect from here and make sure to optimize your ads depending on whatever works for you. So you can regularly monitor the performance of your Instagram ads. You can track metrics like click-through rate, conversion, and engagement. You can use this data to optimize your ads for better results. And there is something called A/B testing. So conducts the A/B testing with different and variation to identify what resonates best with your audience. You can test different visuals, copy, and targeting like to refine your ad strategy. And of course, make sure to even use this Instagram Stories ads because this is very helpful. So consider using this Instagram Stories ads to tap into the platform. Engaging with interactive format stories can provide a more authentic and personal connection with your audience. And of course, make sure to have some promotion special offers and discounts because drive engagement and sale promoting special offers and discounts through your Instagram ads. Limited time promotion can sense of urgency and entice users to buy. And that's normally gonna be it. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've completed this full tutorial on how to promote your Etsy shop using Instagram ads in 2023. By implementing these strategies and leveraging the power of Instagram advertising platform, you can elevate your Etsy shop visibility, attract new customers, and boost your sales. Remember to stay creative, consistent, and responsive to your audience feedback. So happy promoting and best of luck with your Etsy shop success on Instagram. Of course, if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one. And if you have any concern, you can always leave it down below in the comment section. So thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next video.